History of the 1940 Ford pickup. The 1940 Ford pickup is one of the most iconic classic trucks ever built, known for its stylish design, durability, and connection to the golden era of American automobiles. 1. Design and features. The 1940 Ford pickup was a major evolution from its predecessors, featuring a sleeker, more refined look influenced by Ford's passenger cars of the time. It had a distinctive V-shaped front grille, teardrop-shaped headlights integrated into the fenders, and a more streamlined body compared to earlier models. The truck also came with a wider, more comfortable cabin, making it a more practical and stylish option for small business owners and farmers alike. 2. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1940 Ford pickup was powered by Ford's legendary flathead V8 engine, which had already gained a reputation for reliability and solid performance. This 85 horsepower engine gave the truck an impressive balance of power and efficiency for the time, making it a favorite among drivers who needed both workhorse capability and smooth driving dynamics. 3. Cultural impact and legacy. During the late 1930s and early 1940s, Ford was known for producing trucks that combined functionality with style, and the 1940 model was no exception. It became a favorite among businesses, farmers, and even hot rod enthusiasts in later decades. Today, the 1940 Ford pickup is a highly sought-after classic, often customized with modern engines, suspension upgrades, and hot rod modifications. Its timeless design and historical significance make it a standout in vintage truck collections.